good evening, whatever time you are watching this video. Welcome to Great Trading Lab. Before we get started, kindly click on the subscription button, like and share this video. I posted some analysis on my YouTube channel the beginning of this week talking about the trade I was going to enter, the ones I was already on, and also some positions I was also going to look out for, even in cryptocurrency. First of all, we are going to talk about GBP JPY. So let's jump into the chart. GBP JPY, we have price going to our direction, but we hit SL the first time because I made a mistake on my stop loss. Instead of placing my stop loss above the high, I placed it here. I wish I paid for it, but we are waiting for price to come down to this point. But I re-entered this position because I had to, because we are still expecting price to come down, like to retrace here and then come down to the downside, or better still just drop down to the downside. So that is it for GBP. That is it for GBP JPY. So let's go to GBP CHF. GBP CHF, I'm on GBP CHF presently. I gave a first entry on GBP CHF, but I missed the first entry, which was here. We anticipate price to like retrace back to this point, and then we get our entry and then sell to the downside, but we missed this first sell. So I made an analysis to for price to retrace to this point, and which price did, and we got our first entry here. We had a little bit of pushback to this zone, and I also re-entered here again. So, and we have price going to the downside, and we can see we are making profit, like as we can see on the screen. USD CAD, I had a couple of losses last week, which is also on the screen, and I'm trying to make it back through this GBP CHF trade. I'm going to show you the ones I entered that I hit stop loss. First was the GBP JPY that I made mistake on my SL, and then secondly was gold. I made analysis on gold, but I didn't post it. But I posted it on my Twitter handle. And here is when we hit SL here. So I decided to open this position to recover my profit, since I've already been on a loss of about few trades that I had last week, because I entered few trades last week and I was trying to recover my losses, which I didn't recover, or made another losses this week. So but this trade is making profit, as we can see on the screen. So we are still going to hold the trade till we get our TP, then we can recover all our losses, put the one of last week. So CAD CHF, I also made analysis on this pair, but I didn't take this trade because I was expecting market to have a retracement back to this zone, so that we can have a potential sell to the downside. But we didn't have the retracements, and we have price straight to our take profit. NZD JPY, we also made analysis of for NZD JPY. As you can see, is on the screen. I posted it on my Telegram channel. So we anticipate for price to break, change direction, and then retrace. We entered after the retracement, and then price started moving to our direction before we had this movement, and then NFP also pushed price down. So we are driving price down to 86.017. So AED USD, I also made analysis on AED USD, but I didn't take the trade because I was expecting price to come down here the first time, but price didn't. Price went back, stop here, went back up, then retraced back again, but didn't still get to this zone, this support zone, but still move up. So from next week, what I'm anticipating price to do from next week is to have a potential retracement to the downside. Let me take off all this stuff on my screen. Let me take them off. Okay, yeah, so we are waiting for price since we have a break of this resistance zone, so we are waiting for price to have a retracement, like at least price to push down to this point, and then we have a potential buy to the upside. So that is it for AUD USD, and then for BTC, we're expecting price to push down to this place, this zone, and we have price currently at our zone, our point of interest. We have price on our point of interest. Like we're expecting price have been on the downtrend, and we have price have a shift of structure, so retrace. We are expecting price to go up to the upside, and also on SUI USDT, this crypto too. I've been liking this crypto, like for some reasons. Like we have a change of structure here on the 4 hours, and I'm waiting for a retracement. I think this can even be a retracement because I'm not seeing price doing like going to the downside, all of that. I'm expecting bullish in cryptocurrency, so we'll be expecting to buy from here to the upside, and this would be like our first target is 3.8 or 3.9. so our first target is like a 1:4, and then the second one is like a 1:5.17. so this is it for SUI USD. So this is it. USD CAD, I had the SL on USD CAD. Why? Because I didn't wait for the market to change direction on the 4 hours, because we had a spinning top here. As you can see, we had the spinning top candlestick here and this bearish reversal candlestick. So I was like, okay, I think we are going to have a movement to the downside, but we have price went straight to our SL, and we didn't even see $1 from it, went straight to our SL. And then, but we are still expecting price to come down, retest on this point, and go to the downside. So this is what it means to trade fxalexg set and forget strategy. I'm going to post my loss on the screen, and also the profit, as you can see on the screen. The loss I'm making on I had a drawdown on my Profem account, and we are also resurrecting it back. Should I say resurrect? With GBP CHF. So as we can see, we are making back our profit, and then also GBP JPY. So that is it for also GBP JPY. Let me open GBP JPY, because I'm also on the trade on GBP JPY, as you can see on the screen. So that is it for this week, because we are not going to take any trade again for the week. So don't forget to like this video, share, and also subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to join our free Telegram channel, so that when we are dropping stuff like this, you are not going to miss out from it. Thank you.